Once upon a time, there's three young men called Ali, Awal, and Teguh. They have a mission to save the nature from a mad king who wants to destroy all the biodiversity in this world. But with limited resource, they only have natural resource to fight against the Mad King. Then Ali came up with a smart plan, but it takes time and a lot of water.
What are you doing with the water?
Full. We drink the water, right, Ali?
No, we use them to trap the Mad King, so he can't use any water here. Okay, do you understand? Awal, Teguh, you get it, okay?
3 weeks later.
After 3 weeks, now is the time to end Mad King life once and for all. And these three young men start their plans. First, it runs smooth, and it almost done, but Awal saw a beautiful green gems on the way out of the castle.
Guys, look at the green gems, it's beautiful.
Yeah, the green color look natural. It's like my grandmother gems.
Right here, I'm going to take the gems. Right here.
Hurry, before Mad King find us.
Hey guys, what takes you so long? Come on, hurry, the Mad King will arrive soon. If you're not out of there as soon as possible, you will die, okay? The next day, the Mad King was found dying. Then he told the guard to bring Ali, Awal, and Teguh to the castle. Then he said that he was Ali's father. The end. After 3 weeks, it's now. At 3 weeks, now is the time to end Mad King life once and for all. They start, and then these three. No, we use them to trap the Mad King, so he can't use any water here. He can't drink, he can't take a bath, he can anything else.
You guys, you look green.
The green color look natural. My grandma like ah.
Hey guys, where? Hey guys, what take you so long? Come on, hurry, the Mad King will arrive soon. If you don't get out of there, you probably will die, okay? You understand me? You need to get out of there immediately, ASAP, as soon as possible. Go, fall back to the safe zone, okay? Ciao.